XRP back above 80 cents, XLM back above 14 cents. We could be gearing up right now for the next big move in XRP, XLM, but the crypto market at large. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. This is the crypto market update, and we're going to dive into it today. So we're going to start with the bond yields, go into the dollar, look at the altcoin season pulse chart, then go into a total 3, Bitcoin dominance. Also look at a couple altcoins, Litecoin, XRP, XLM, HBAR. But I wanted to make a comment at the beginning. I know a lot of people, well, one thing is I'm sitting for once. I'm sitting. But the second thing is a lot of people I saw the comments saying that ping, like the smoke detector and changing the battery. My apologies. That's not a smoke detector. It's actually a trading view, like with these alerts. So with these alerts, you can set it up where it plays a sound and it's wicked annoying. So I agree. I can't stand them either. I honestly am so used to them. I tune them out, but I will make sure I delete all my alerts that do that sound because I'm sure it kills your ears when you're listening to the video. So my apologies for that, but I just want to let people know it's not a smoke detector. It's not a smoke detector. It's the alerts for TradingView, and I'll clean that up. But all right, let's go into it. The bond yields right now, we're hanging on to that trend line support still. We're getting bought up right now. We're trying to hang on to it by a thread. We do have the momentum headed down though. We go into the dollar. The dollar got a little bit of a pop up today. We still have the 1 day prepare to buy soon. The 2 day prepared. Oh no, we don't have the 2 day prepare to buy soon. So that went away yesterday. So yeah, we have the 1 day, we have the 12-hour prepare to buy soon, and we're getting the buy now flash right now. So we could be in for a minor correction back down here because when the buy nows flash, like right here, we usually pull back down. But let's go to like a micro time frame, like the 4-hour chart. And you can see we're clearly stair stepping up on support on this trend line here. And we're at the 786 right now. So if I go to a 1 hour, we'll look at it a bit closer. Yeah, so I grabbed this kind of high here down to the low. We're at the 786. So far getting rejected. We do have the 200 moving averages on the 1 hour chart headed up here as well too, around 100.72 to 100.81. We do still have that gap up there at 101.66. So that's still on the radar as a potential to get filled. But for right now, we're finding some rejection at the 786. We have this trend line that we're walking up right now. We do have the 12-hour buy now. Let's take a look to see if we're above the zero line in the TSI. Nope, we're still below. So like, you're going to have relief bounces. We're going to curl back down. But to me, the ultimate trend for the dollar is down. And that's the macro trend by looking at these higher time frame charts. We have the momentum headed down. Stock market, new highs today. Unreal. Absolutely crazy. It's at 15,900 right now. If we go to the altcoin season pulse chart, we are still hanging on. We're still hanging on. We had a breakdown from this trend line like this, but right now we're holding some support right here. We're holding that support. So we want to see this continue to roll over because this will be good for the altcoins. If we look at Bitcoin dominance, if we go to the weekly chart, Bitcoin dominance on the weekly chart still hugging this trend line. We have the sell warnings. We're waiting for the sell now. If we look at the 5-day chart, we just flashed a sell now and this candle closes today. So this is big, absolutely big. We go to the 6-day chart. Do we have it? We have it on the 6-day chart. And that's the same signals that have flashed in previous kind of Bitcoin dominance toppings and huge bull markets. And usually you see 3. So if I'm on a 3-day chart, we'll usually see 3 sell nows until we see the ultimate top. But if I'm on the weekly chart, it'll just be 1 sell now that will hit the ultimate top. See right here, 1 sell now, hit the top. We're waiting for that sell now, 1 sell now. But if we go down to a 3-day, 2-day chart, we'll see multiple before hitting the top. See 1, 2. So yeah, so to me, Bitcoin dominance has topped. And now we're below 50%. And we're going to start to see an altcoin melt up. We've already seen it on some, but across the board. So we're plotting on the next opportunities here. So total crypto market cap, we're still maintaining this trend line. And then we go to the 2-hour chart. We're starting to find some support right now. We had a little bit of a correction this morning from yesterday. If we pull this up right here, no, not yet to the 786, but right now we're finding some support. So that's a good sign right there. If we go to the 1-day chart, so the 1-day chart, we're holding up pretty fine. We want to see the cross ups. We want to see the momentum build back up. If we look at the altcoin market cap, we go to the daily chart. We're trying to get above this 200-day moving average. That's what we've been fighting with. So if we can get a daily close above there, then we'll be good. And we want to see this TSI continue to head vertical and the stock RSI to cross up. So if we go to Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin broke out of this downward sloping trend line here. We popped up support, support, support. Now we need to just curl back up and rubber band snap back up. And we need to take out that $30,100 level. We need to get back above there, and ultimately 30,300, then 30,500 would get us back above these levels. And I'll feel much better about altcoin melt up across the board in that case. So that's Bitcoin. And remember, if we do roll over, like we really need to hold these lows here around like 29,500, 29,600. But if we do roll over, then 28,500, 28,400 is the level of support I'm watching for us to find some support on, like around here, 28,400 to 28,600. That's what I'm expecting if we break this critical support. And then we ultimately need to get above 31,000 to the upside. Litecoin right now, making some movements. We had a double bottom here. We bounced up. We had a little correction earlier. If anything, this would be the bottom that we just set. And we're going to start to fire up back above 94 to like 95. And if we can get above 95, I think we're heading up to the 100 area. So we're trying to hit this massive levy long on Litecoin. We're greased up in it. Yesterday in the Discord, we were having a ball watching it, making sure it held these lows, and it did. And that's the thing, like when you have conviction about the trend of the market, you don't fold. Because like if you were to take a loss right here, if you were down and then it just popped back up and you try to chase it and then you buy here and now it's down again, that's how you lose money. You don't lose money if you have conviction of the trend of the market and you can stay the course, and kind of it's that mental kind of pull, seeing that you're down, and then especially when you're doing the leverage, and then being scared, it could go down lower and hit this and I'll lose that much. I'm just going to close it out now. And then it pops up and then you're like, damn, like I should have held it, right? Just stay the course. And that's what we're doing here in Stargate and in the VIP with the premiums. We're walking, hand holding people through these trades, these leverage long trades, and we're making a killing here. So like, if you want to get in on them, now's the time. Now's the time to strike. Join the Discord, link will be in the bio. Hit me up, Rob at Stargate, or hit up Eric at Stargate and request to get premium. Now's the time to do it. The market's quiet, so we can get you prepped and prepared to hop on these trades. I'm thinking that, and I'll save that announcement to the end. But Litecoin and Bitcoin holding support right here. If we look at XRP, we're above 80 cents right now. We go to the 2-hour chart, where we broke above the 786. So this high down to the low, we broke above, and now we're holding right now. So I want to see us maintain above 79.5 cents. And then us to really break above 83.5. And then we'll be flying up. We probably retest 93 to 95. And I think, honestly, in the month of July, we're going to get over $1. That's just my opinion. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but that's what I'm seeing here. And we just want to hold this trend line support. Ultimately, we want to hold this trend line support, which is coinciding with the 1 hour 200 moving average. So that's for like a short term, but the short term is going to make up the bigger picture here for XRP since it's already fired off. XLM, it's starting to fire up. We really want to get back above 15 cents and hold that as support so we can give 18 cents to 20 cents another run. And right now we have these void lines squeezing tight. If we can just press up through 14.5, 15 cents today, those mouths are going to open up wide on the void lines. They open up like that, and we'll see a big move. We'll see another big move. And we're seeing momentum cross up again. So we're in for round 2 for XLM and XRP. And Bitcoin can maintain its levels and start to trend back up. And if the dollar can roll over here. So that's that. HBAR, I think, is the next one that's going to have another massive, huge move. So that's the next one that we'll be plotting a huge levy long trade on. I'm really trying to hit these levy longs ASAP. Like the time to do it is now. Because if you can make a 10x off of a coin pulling like a 30%, 40, 50% move now, so you can 10x your money now, then buy it. What if the coin's 40% higher? It's all right. You just made it 10x. And then take those profits, buy the coin back spot, and then ride that up for a little double dip in spot holdings for when it does its mega moon. That's 100x right there. So that's why I'm thinking it might be a greasy Stargate summer where We do mostly just Femex trades and leverage trading. We do less peer-to-peer trading, but we really just like buckle down with the VIP group, do these levy longs, hit them hard, buy back spot holdings with all the profits. And then we ride this to the moon, the mega moon, and we hit 100Xs, right? Like I'm thinking that might have to be the case. It might be a greased up levy long summer. So if you're a Stargate VIP, we have a group session tonight. We'll discuss what the direction is going to be for the rest of summer. I'm thinking it might be levy longs all day with the team. So let us know in the comments if you're a VIP, if that sounds good to you, if you want to continue doing that, or if you want to take it easy. But I'm thinking now's the time to strike so we can maximize our gains for this mega moon bull market that's right on the horizon. So HBAR, yeah, it's riding this support. We have this broken down trend. And that's going to be the next one we're plotting a big one on after Litecoin. So that's going to be it, guys. Join the Discord. Link is in the bio. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. Hope you guys have a good day today, and I'll see you in the next video.